I add customer lists to every Google Ads campaign I manage. But manually uploading customer lists to Google Ads takes a lot of time and you can easily make mistakes. Today I'll show you 5 simple ways to add and automatically update customer lists. But how do customer lists improve your results anyway? When people buy from your store, they reveal their preferences and needs. This first-party data is incredibly valuable because it's unique to your business and reflects real customer behavior. With customer lists, you can put this valuable data to work. You can use them to reach existing customers and target new prospects with similar characteristics. Plus, when combined with smart bidding, these lists help Google's algorithm fine-tune your campaigns automatically for optimal results. Hi, I'm Andrei with AD Marketing, where I help e-commerce brands get better results with Google Ads. Let's go! In Google Ads, click Admin, Account Settings, Customer Match. Tick the Conversion Tags checkbox. Then go to Tools, Audience Manager under Shared Library. Search for segment name that contains conversion-based. Find the segment Purchase conversion-based or Default conversion-based. With the Purchase customer base segment selected, click on Customer Type. Menu selection that appears on top. Select Purchasers and click Apply. If you don't see the Customer Type column in the view, add it by clicking Columns, then Modify Columns and selecting Customer Type. Now let's add this customer list to a PMax campaign. Open an asset group, add signal. Under your data, search for conversion based. Tick Purchase conversion based. Now your customer list has been added as a PMax signal. I add customer lists in all my PMax campaigns. Download my complete PMax setup checklist from the link in the description. Customer lists can be added from Google Analytics 4. For that, GA4 has to be linked with Google Ads. To verify that, open Tools, Data Manager, Connect Products, and make sure that Google Analytics GA4 is linked with a green checkbox. To add the list, go to Tools, Audience Manager, your data segments, click on plus, Google Analytics, select your property, continue. Click on Create a custom audience, add new condition, select Purchase event. Set the membership duration to maximum limit. Name this audience Purchasers GA4. Add the purchaser's customer type by clicking on the segment, Customer Type, Purchasers, and Apply. Now let's add it to a shopping campaign. In the campaign view, click on Audience, Edit Audience Segments, select Purchasers GA4, tick your audience, set it as targeting or observation depending on your needs. Now click on Show Table and verify that your audience segment name Purchasers GA4 is there. The past buyers retail audience is automatically created by Google Ads and keeps track on who buys from your website. It uses the global site tag and optionally event tracking for more precise data. Go to Audience Manager, your data segments, filter for segment name that contains retail, select past buyers retail Google Ads or all converters retail Google Ads. Don't forget to set the purchaser's customer type. If you use the Shopify, Google, and YouTube app to link your store products with Merchant Center, your customer lists will sync automatically to Google Ads. Go to Audience Manager, your data segments, plus customer list. Connect to a new data source. Click Shopify and select Direct Connection. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Another Shopify solution, the Shopify Audiences app, allows you to sync certain segments, including customer lists, to Google, Meta, and other platforms. This app can only be used by Shopify Plus users in the US and Canada, with Shopify payments enabled. To set it up, select the Shopify Audience option in the Data Source Shopify window. Follow the prompts to complete implementation. Which of these methods should you use? I recommend setting up as many as possible in your account. After all, it's one-time setup and there are no downsides in implementing them all. I'll be adding more videos about Google Ads optimizations in this channel. So if you like this content, subscribe and hit bell icon to get notified as soon as new videos are published. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.